it can only best to be explained by those clinical psychologists. Remember, a police secretary work for home is about time Ghana police as an institution over there, the high command will take note of that. Now we'll make sure that this issue will be an issue of concern. In 2018, police officials, one clinical psychologist, almost some few workshops to be. Now out of the workshop, remember, you'll be surprised that almost 108 police personnel there. They are having another, they are experiencing some kind of emotional trauma. Now, no one in there. On them there, where police officers. Now, we train one for the team, especially softband, emotional intelligence, another emotional trauma management. You know, there. On them the work for them to see or you want to say there, or the way to Mijina. Now, say, even the moon a horny bar, what to Mijinano. Now, Uncle Ben Air, you will behave as a layman. But the call of the night, you want it there. Ghana police as an institution. Apart from there, when a recruitment, the necessary standard of recruitment process, don't make sure them go community. And as a offer, when you police personnel here, periodically, and in a year, how many times Ghana police as an institution we organize a workshop with respect to, trauma management or emotional trauma management? And another question I'll be saying there, Ghana police as an institution, how many number of clinical psychologists do they have? And I'm sure that you might have the data. Ghana police with their population almost more than 30,000 classable. I'm not sure that the Ghana police can boast of 20, clinical psychologists. The whole Ghana here. And it's up and there, so the rate of, clinical psychologists to that of police personnel or former. Not sure there. Some bandit here, we organize the workshops now. It's going to be a problem. Another issue is the resource to organize those, workshops, at least in a year, we can have 4 times in a year. So that every quarter, there can be an organization of, a workshop across all the regions. We need to ensure that the trauma, the emotional trauma, and other difficulties are police will not. Those things are being addressed. And many who don't know how this is here.
Mira, young Shani say, yes, ye, and someone what Kenya say, Bia, a Branum, Yan Jubedi Bisanche, Chebi, and Fama Womo, Yansha one my dream, Mapon Dimu, did here woman, say, so, and no more in Yaton Chea. Brass say, Bia, ye be recruitment as well. Yana. Posi sadomono anase wonu tu anamobi hwehwe nipa no na dwemu asemesi ya fa no wo free track record ben wo eno ya no me bibisa. The standard of the Ghana police and then the police institution in the whole world, there's a standard that gradually they followed, and I'm sure Ghana police as an institution years back has been doing that. It is only recently, but the politicization in the security sector, especially the Ghana police and other institutions. And sometimes I'm not calling my confirming to me, the commanding to me called DP. Now, one the background check of the people, because if as an institution, not a politician be or the another organize some kind of people belong to one for recruitment. Who are you or who bond for you to question the credibility or the ability or the emotional trauma or the difficulties of the people? You cannot question them because these are people who have been brought by the politicians.
The police department and what name was how.
You know, but nothing we don't have to say. Anything emotional, yesterday, urban security issues are. Politics must be out of it. Because remember, Bamba some Yadibia also don't reach from. Bamba some Yadibia. Bamba some Yadibia. So a bit performer. At the end of the day, no, no matter who you are, you'll be affected.
Say no, you are the way forward the pano, say na see at here as far as security are concerned.
Remember the way forward.
You are Bama.
Oh, Bama rather, sorry. You are Bama. The way forward, only there. Or there, the politicians, you know, who abstain from recruitment process. Now, with their personal interest there, they are not eligible to be recruited with the Ghana police. And I believe, what you mean the Madina of Obama?
Tiniana Kwakoja politicians who say, it's answer yet na ye ni Pabiguano. Was supposed to call ye training one ye be medical one ye be not ya pena talise one call and one share. It's investigation, yeah, causeway. We did say the mobile establishment no bet to me and my year quay no such occurrences no yen to me in your view.
Yeah, very important. I think for now, no, all the this very issue, no, it's between two police officers. A senior officer and a junior officer. Within them, I believe that at the end of the day, no, the truth have to come out because if the truth doesn't come out, as police personnel, they are also at risk. Or it is a threat. Because if at the end of the day, no, there is an issue between two police officers, now you are not able to come out with a correct investigation to find out what happened. The next time, no, it's going to be another person. I personally believe that at the end of the investigation, the truth will come out. And I believe when the truth comes out, it's about time they have to lay out the right procedures and the right measures in order to make sure that going forward, you know, some of these occurrences, you know, OCD.
Mira Anthony Akweyi ane anopai ajenkwa FM na tiefo bedase si ato nsafra wade prenya da dia chechi nsemu ya kwaye nim no bibini ni antiase a ya beba won chen bio
bedase mi ne bama
wori me for Anthony Akweyi na ya kode nchai posi ni a wabodo yonku posi ni duo na ngiase si gedi ewu ayenkum mani na etiani tia so nka enche se wo ho befa enko de si ya ma tuo nto ye de wo tutuo no ene de wo firi mu no e bia won mu nanim na so posi sadom no se won mu ma no nye kwa won mu ya asem mu hwemu etu ba ye Facebook page ni so a ajenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 ajenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 YouTube eya ajenkwa FM live constable no a ni superior na se ni panyin yabo ni tuo no nice guy slim guy come on I hope actually hard dream pa dina wodmu chiem se ekwan ya manyofo faso e di nipa ko wura posi dwuma mu no wodi nipa no kwa wontimi enye enkwase no na no posi ni bia mihia no pa na se cha wo akua mekura minim bambo ho hwe no miwe nka benfa no yakwa homa no so ye ne sa akode peprani kommo hello sa akode ye
obisa be so
mi wura le fie ye bokode ye
Asa me boy when I'm not there so ja adi achi ese so o man Ghana animo adishe
ya birthday no a was you any birthday no no dene
na me mpako en bi so ko na mi twem pede ya menya kata etimo bi so ko me fie